Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to concatenate strings in Python programming. So we will see how to combine two separate string variables with an example. Let's do it. I define my name. My name is equal to John, and then I define my surname. Surname is equal to boss. So I want to combine these two strings to form a full name. In Python, you use the plus operator to join strings. Let's do it. So full name is equal to name plus surname. If I print my full name, what will appear on the screen? If I print it, I run it, you see Jumbos. If you want to include a space between name and surname, what I need to do, I use plus operator between two plus, I just give a space. So let's run it. You see, between names and surnames, I put a space. I added a space. With this method, you can join as many strings as you like. Super. See you in the next lesson.